our last example is from a business example. And so don't think that calculus and derivatives only apply to the School of Science and to physics. In fact, it applies to all kinds of different areas of study. So if we're looking at business, we also are interested in derivatives, and they have special meaning there. So a manufacturer produces bolts of fabric with a fixed width. The cost of producing X yards of this fabric is some function of X, X being the number of yards. So then what is the meaning of F prime at X, and what are its units? Okay, so look at what this is. It's saying C is cost, is in dollars, and it is a function of X in yards. If you were to graph it, you would be graphing number of yards produced, number of dollars spent. That's your cost. So when I look at F prime of X, that is the change in cost divided by the change in X. What are the units? Dollars per yard. So when I say F prime, then I'm talking about the instantaneous rate of change of cost with respect to yards. Okay, in economics, we call this the marginal cost. Okay, so if I had some kind of a cost function, I'm just making something up there, then this here represents fixed cost, and it looks like my costs go up and then start dropping and then going up again. And if I'm looking at what's the marginal cost, I'm looking at the slope of the tangent line to the curve at any point. And what is the slope? Well, if I were to look at producing one more yard, and this would be the change in the cost per yard. And we call that marginal cost, as in how much more would it cost me if I produced one more yard of the fabric. Okay, over the page.